So Sally's Biscuits.
Nothing to it.
The only thing I did different this time, you know, we used lard, you can use some kind of anything. We used butter. You said, let's try butter.
I love buttery biscuits.
I know you do. So we have a third of butter, and I've let this get room temperature so I can mix it in here easy, and I'm gonna mix it in with the flour first.
So this is 2 cups of self-rising flour.
That's right.
It's just so easy. People say, I really have a tough time making biscuits. I don't know how to make biscuits. Now you can use butter, you can use lard, you can use shortening, whatever you prefer. All of them work equally well.
With her exact recipe. But you gotta have buttermilk. That's her secret. So we have 3/4 a cup of buttermilk.
And it's just a beautiful thing.
That's right.
And look what you end up with.
And now it's time to get dirty.
It's all you.
That's right. You wanna do this?
Nope.
Okay.
I can keep one hand clean. Now these biscuits cook at a high temperature. I mean, some people think it sounds strange when I say, hey, 450 degrees for 10 minutes.
Oh.
But Sally Weisenberger knows her biscuits, and she would not tell us wrong. Knock on wood, they turn out perfect every time. There's just no way you can mess this up.
But I like to let you cut them. You do the perfect cut on your biscuits, the size you want.
But you know, and the thing is, it's up to you how thick you want them. If you cut them thicker, obviously they're going to be a little thicker. I like a lot of biscuit. If I'm eating biscuits, I want to eat biscuits. Now they're going to raise up with this self-rising flour. I want them pretty thick. Now, we've got something to cut them with here that is going to kind of flatten them down a little bit. But
what do you think, right about there?
I'd say about there.
You like them thick, don't you?
We don't want them. Now remember when you're cutting your biscuits, you see people do this, well that seals the side of it up. We don't want to do that. We just want to push down, and that'll kind of give us the size that we want. And we'll let you pull that out.
Ooh, that's a perfect biscuit.
Look at that.
Isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful.
Oh.
Let me do another one here.
So we're not going to cook a big bunch of biscuits because we got more than one use for our tomato gravy.
That's right.
And it was just an idea I had, and it worked out really well today. So it's just a really cool thing. Once we get up to 450, we're going to pop those in for
10 minutes. Exactly.
And that's it. 450. Yeah, it sounds high. You think you're going to burn them up? Nope.
Perfect biscuits.
Come out beautiful.
How about your biscuits?
Oh.
Oh, they look good.
Let me see. Oh, look at those. Now that's, you know, everybody talks about cat head biscuits.
Wow.
These are, you think about the size of Boo's head. That's about right, isn't it?
It is.
Now look, now
That's a biscuit.
my friend, is a cat head biscuit.